Hello everyone, I am back with Maths School Invisibility chapter number 1 Squares and Cubes, and this is part 3. Here we will learn about cubes. So in previous part we have learned about square, square root and estimating square root. Okay, so today we will learn about cubes. So now you will tell teacher what do you mean by cube. So cube by means telling cube you will only recognize one shape, that is this. Okay, so now what is cube? Cube is a number which we get by multiplying a whole number by itself two times. Okay, now we'll tell teacher why only two times, why not four or three times or six times. So see, when we draw a cube, we can only see three side of it. Okay, we can means in front only three sides we can see of it. Okay, that's why we are multiplying it only three times. Okay. So now today we will learn about perfect cubes. Okay. Perfect cubes, cube roots, estimating cube roots. So let's start with perfect cubes. Now, perfect cubes means it is that is a whole number by which means by which whole number another whole number we get. Okay, like see for example two. Okay, so for cube we will raise power three, raise to the power of three. Okay, two into two into 2. Okay, this is called cube number. Okay, by if I will multiply this and the answer is cube of 2. Okay, 8 is the answer. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Okay, so 2's cube is 8. So today we will learn about some properties of cubes. Now, first property of cube is first property is if a number is odd, if a whole number is odd, if a whole number is odd, its cube will be also odd. Okay, its cube number will be also odd. And if whole number is even, so its cube will be any guesses? Yes, even. So this was the first property of it. Now second property. If means if I am telling you to get a cube of fraction, okay, of a fraction like 3 upon 3 upon 2. Okay, means any fraction for example. So here you will multiply the denominator and numerator separately. See, 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2, like this you will multiply, and answer is 27 upon 8. Okay, now let's move to the next property, and it is the third property. The third property is that if a number is positive, if a whole number is positive, its cube will be positive. Okay, and if a number is negative, if a number is negative, its cube number will be negative only. Okay, so now we will tell teacher how positive number will be positive and how negative will be negative. So I will give you an example. Minus 2 we will take and 2 we will take. Okay, so first minus 2 example I will give you. So how negative numbers is negative. Okay, so see, minus 2 equals minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. So its answer will be minus minus will be positive. Okay. So if here we will get 4. Okay. We should not give this sign for positive numbers. Okay. There is no sign for positive numbers. It can be write like this one. And now minus into minus 2. Okay. Now 4 plus into means plus and minus will be minus. Okay. And 4 into 2 is 8. So here we got minus 8 answer. Okay. That's why negative numbers is negative number. Okay. Means negative numbers cube is negative. Now positive number. 2 into 2 into 2. Positive positive equals positive. Again positive positive equals positive. Okay. Now we will move towards next property, and that is by adding the consecutive odd numbers. By adding consecutive odd numbers, we will get a cube number. So now how we will get? See, 1 equals 1's cube. Now here we have to do like this. See, 3 into means plus 5. Okay. Now here we will take 1. Here we will not take 1. Why? Because here we should not take means the number which had gone before. Okay. After numbers we will take only. Okay. Now see here, I means I want two's cube, so that's why I took two odd numbers, and here only one's cube. That's why I took one odd number. Okay. Now here I will take three odd number. 7 plus 9 plus 11. Okay, equals to 27 equals to 3's cube. Okay. So like this, it will be go on and go on. Now fifth property is that if a number ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Okay. So if any whole number ends with this numbers, so it means its cube number will be also end with that number only. Okay. Like if I will tell 1's cube, so it ends with 1. 4's cube, 64. Okay. Like that. Now moving forward, the next rule is that sixth rule. The sixth rule is if a number ends with 2, so its square number means cube number will end with 8. Okay. And if number ends with 8, its cube number will end with 2. Okay. So this is the sixth property. Now seventh and the last property is 3. If a number ends with 3, so its cube number will be end with 7. And if number end with 7, its cube number will be end with. Okay. So like this. So this is a means this is very easy property. You can remember it very easily. Now we will move towards cube root and finding cube root by prime factorization. Now what is cube root? Cube root is a number which multiplies by itself two times and gives the means makes that number by of which we are finding cube root. Like see, 64 equals to 4's cube. Okay. For this also we will use this symbol only. Okay. Now how to find a cube root by prime factorization? How to find a cube root by prime factorization? Okay. So now by prime factorization we will find out cube root. Okay. So first step is that what example I will take 64. Okay. So first step is that we have to find out all prime factors of 64. We'll give first this symbol. Its prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So here by prime factorization, how should I found? We should get the pair of triplets, means a set of three numbers in prime factors. Okay. So this is set of three numbers. Okay. I have made two sets. Okay. So by making two sets, 2 into 2 into 2 into, this is one set, 2 into 2 into 2. This is second one. Okay. So here from this both I will take only one number. Okay. Means this 2 I will cancel and only I will take this number. Okay. So here it will be 64 cube root equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Okay. So this is cube root of 64. So now we will by estimating estimating cube root, this topic will be there for exam, so that you can prepare. I am explaining here very easily. I will tell teacher, if there are same steps as it is square roots, so we will find it very easily. Yes, students. So there is same steps as we have estimated square root. We will estimate cube root also. Now I am giving you number 1 to 7. Okay. So no 1 to 7. No, I will give you smaller number. So I will give you a number 1 to 0. Okay. So first we will find out the two cubes. Okay. Two perfect cubes. So this is 64, means so that it will be in middle of that two cube roots, means cube numbers. 125 is 5's cube and 64 is 4's cube. Now you have to find out which is the closer number to this number. Okay. So 125 is very closer to it. Okay. So we will write like this. This is like round off number only. So 120 is approximately to the cube of 5 and 125 is equal to 5 cube. Okay. So this was today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and in next part I will take the science chapter number 1. Bye. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel.